This is my last pleat, and this is where I fold the inner apron. Oops, not that part. This part is where I fold the inner apron over to make an inverted pleat right here. This is the left side of the inner apron. Okay, I got the front apron sewn here, all the way down to there. Oops, sorry. And then to get this line here, I put the kilt on and had my wife pin it so that it would have the right line to it. And according to one way is you want to have it folded right so that this part of the apron doesn't want to flip out like this when you wear it, but that it wants to lay flat. So that's what I tried to accomplish through that. Also, this part here of this deep pleat right here sticks down, and I will like fold it up and then sew it out of the way. But also, to try to help with that, I tried a thing that I haven't tried before, which is I put in a dart right here. It was kind of challenging, but hopefully that'll keep this corner from sagging too low. I'm trying to line up the tartan for the top band here. The stripes are lined up pretty well. I'm thankful for that. Okay, so I made this tab out of this tartan from the extra fabric from the top band here. Right there. And to make the pattern match up again, I'd have to come all the way over to here, and I'd be wasting all this fabric right here, and I'd like to have this for another project maybe. And at the same time I have this here, which it's much harder to use this size and shape of a fabric for many projects. So if I flip it over, I can make the twill lines and the stripes line up. Oh, oops, that's upside down. So I'm gonna use this section here to make a belt buckle there. And if you're interested in finding a better, more detailed explanation of how to make a tab like this, check out a video by Robert MacDonald, Bespoke Kiltmaker on YouTube, where he goes into good detail about how to make one of these. I made a mistake. This should be the same shape, but this part should be over here because the buckle needs to face the opposite direction as this one does. Well, there you go.